Broadcast. Bang! Oh, baby! Look at that dollar index go. Who is your daddy? Ching, 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 ching. December 13th, Tuesday. Turnaround Tuesday. Tied at 2. December the 13th, 2011. Holy moly. Can you say, what the hell? Was this market really thinking the Fed was going to do QE3? Are they out of their mind? Bottom line, check my post. Put it out before the FOMC. The U.S. economy is doing okay. And Europe is going to hurt the U.S. recovery, but it's not going to stall it. It's not going to stop it. Bottom line. And while Europe is a problem, it's not going to bring the U.S. down. So there was no need, in my opinion, for the Fed to do QE3 with the U.S. numbers hanging in there. Listen, unemployment went down to 8.6%. That's a joke. And that's because more people leaving the workforce, but it still went down. It's not like it's going up. So again, we look at this dollar index and it's gone like the wind. Took out resistance, like we said, to the moon. And we even had a little pullback. That Euro rally was so half-assed. Hopefully you sold that spike. Yeah, we had some numbers that came out. Yeah, they weren't so bad. And yes, the UK CPI numbers, while a little light, not as bad as I thought they'd be. And the German zoo a little bit better. I think that has to do with the Eins, Zwein. They're nationalistic now, baby. They're happy. They love being in control. The Germans are control freaks. And they love being in control of the world economy. So, of course, their people are going to be thrilled and feeling very Rheinbeck, very Heinz, German. We are Germans. Hello. So, the problem is they don't get it. They truly believe that they're doing the right thing. They're not. I think there's a compromise. I think part of what they're doing, austerity, fiscal discipline, yes, that's very important. But realizing the contagion that the market faces if they don't act, and the domino effect that will ripple through the global financial markets if they don't, we will get the move in the dollar and the stock market, boom, to here. Hello. This dollar index is broken out. We're broken out. We're going for the highs of the year, people. Look, this is a new 11-month high in the dollar index. Don't tell me the stock market's going up. This is a big move. We're going for 81 and change. Easy. Yeah, this channel line here, but we're broken out. We're gone like the wind. Okay? How you doing? Cotton Eye Joe Day. Oh, babe. Euro collapsing over 200 pips. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Euro Canada. Euro sterling. Euro everything. Look at that Euro sterling. Let's take a look. And they even had the pop on the German numbers and the good number. Hello. So Euro sterling's been very good to us. 150 pips in 2 days. That's a lot of pips. Especially when it's almost 2-1. Well, 0.8. We'll take it. Euro Swiss. I'm telling you, this is the trade. Look at that. It was, where was it? I don't even know. It never broke par. It's up 2,000 pips. The euro could dissolve. I don't care how much Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. I don't care how much the S&B is going to try and fight this. This fucker is, oh, sorry. I did it again. This sucker's going lower. Absolutely. I don't think how they can fight it. The euro across the board. Euro yen. Say goodnight. Going for the year lows. coming up. This thing might even break par. The euro is going to be the sell flashpoint for the year-end dollar rally. Flashpoint. Euro Canada. Oh, baby. And you know what? Look at the year low. I mean, this baby, I'm talking 134, but I got to tell you, I think I'm a little too light. Look at that channel line. Oh, it's coming there. It's going to get there. 100,000%. This euro, hey, I blue horseshoe stuff. I like that comment from one of my listeners. Blue horseshoe. Hey, it brings back some good memories, doesn't it? 133 on the channel line should be bust through 134. Toast. Say goodnight. Let's look at gold. You know, Paulson's down 49%, and that's before gold started selling off. If you remember Hank Paulson, look at that tick. If you remember, Hank Paulson's the one that made all the money in subprime. And now he's down 49% because everyone gave him a ton of money because he was a one-hit wonder. A one-hit wonder that's now a billionaire. Sounds pretty good to me. But you take a look at this gold. We're going to 1,600. It's busted. Broke the whole thing. Gartman, as we know, is out. He's been such a bull of gold for so long. And he's out. I think 1,600, here we come. We break through 1,600. And Houston, we have a big problem. Houston, we could be talking year-end sell program. Hedge fund liquidation. Paulson liquidation of the gold ETF, the GLD. We're looking at 1575 easy. We look at crude. You know, crude is going to hang in there. I've been saying to one of my members who, believes the crude's going down, I'm like, why fight this one? You got an Iranian situation. They're going to block the Straits of Hormuz and military exercise. Why go near it? Stay away. It's like the Swiss franc. There's too many forces. You don't know how to play it. Stay away from oil. You're going to walk in one day, oil's going to be up $50. 5-0. 5-0. Stuff going on in the Middle East, and Iran is getting more and more and more to the flashpoint. The flashpoint is the match. Psst. There's so much gas, any little match. Why would you want to be short oil? I'd rather be short gold. Pick another poison. This one doesn't want to hunt. It's going to be a tougher trade, in my opinion. We will see. But, to have a strong opinion on oil, yes, global demand is collapsing. Yes, it is. But you also have the fear factor, and sometimes that prices in $20 into gold. Some people say that it's already priced in. Okay. S&Ps, I'm sorry, we got this bad tick data. 0. Yeah. Thank you, IntelliCharts. But I think we're going right back down. Ooh, look at that. They fixed it. Oh, nice. We're certainly going to my channel on here. Daily chart. It's about 1185. Easy. 1175. 80. Easy. Should we take that out? We're going to 1150, son. Oh, we're going there. Dollar yen, just trading with the dollar. It's amazing. The dollar's up, dollar yen goes up. It's not the way it used to be. Looks constructive. I know I've been wrong. I know I called for December to have a monster move. It still might. It's not over. It's after December 16th. Once they go into golden month, this thing could fly. I think a lot of the reason why dollar yen is so heavy is repatriation, money coming back. So, I still like it. Dollar Canada, thank you, sir. May I have another? Oh, baby. Dollar Canada is gone. Dollar Canada is wedging. Dollar Canada, can you say 104.75, 104.50? I can. Hello. Yeah, maybe it pulls back to 101, but look at that monster wedge. All I have to say is this. Look at the 10-year chart. And you're telling me it can't have one of these? You're telling me it can't have one of these melt-ups? I know it was 2008. This was the collapse of the market. But look at the pent-up build-up in this sucker. It just wants to explode. And you know what? You get a gold collapse, and you get an oil collapse. And this baby, easy, 108. And I'll tell you what, if you measure the move, pure tactician, whatever you want to call him, 106.50, down to 99. That's 750 pips. We get to 114. Hello. How do you like that? Take a look at the last time it was there. Right here. I mean, this thing could clear the tower. Wow. You talk about Momo. This thing will explode. It's in an uptrend. No matter how you want to slice it, the last 5 months, this baby's in an uptrend. It's a buy on pullback. It's not been a sell on strength like it was here. The trend has turned. Global economy is collapsing. They're flocking to the dollar. Dollar Swiss continues to try and push higher, getting up there, 95. I missed it. I don't trade it, but some of my traders made some nice trades in it. Jacko, nice job. I don't know. I just don't like trading when there's central banks in the market. I don't like it. But I'll tell you what, SNB coming up this week. Any talk like they're done. Any talk like, well, maybe we should be. Maybe we shouldn't be intervening. Maybe there's a big problem with the euro. Oh, say goodnight. Sterling, tremendous day. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Nice little bang. And again, you got that pop. That was what was so nice. As a swing trader, which is pretty much what I am, you want it to pop. You don't want to sell into weakness. You don't make as much. But when you can lay into it into strength, and then you believe the market's going to roll over, thank you, sir. May I have another? That's what good days are all about. That's what really good days are all about. It's broken. We're going down to 153 now. Abso-freaking-lutely. We're definitely going to 154.25, this low here. But do we hold it? I don't know. Tell you what, though. With Euro Sterling coming in, I still can't believe the sucker's unchanged. You got to be kidding me. This baby's ready to fly. Pound Aussie to the moon. It's going to take back that whole thing. This thing's down 800 pips. Remember? Thanksgiving? Disaster gap down. Right here. That's the fill in the gap trade. That's 158.50. That's another 400 pips. Thank you. Look at this pound Kiwi too. Right back. Going back up. Uptrend channel. Look at that gorgeous uptrend channel line. We might even go to 213. Hello. Aussie, say goodnight. Aussie, look at that. I still can't get over it. Asia, they break it. They bring it back in. Europe, U.S. sessions trading at what? Ridiculous levels. And now it's done. Salo 99. Salo to even 98. 98.50. Easy. Easy. Kiwi also busted. Rolling over. I think we head back down to the lows. The Fed didn't do their job. Absolutely not. You know, reversed also today a little bit? Oh, not this one. That was terrible. I tried trading that one day for 3 days straight. Terrible. No, Aussie Kiwi. One of my cross friends. Little bit of reversal. Actually, you know what? No, it's still going up. Again, that's my trade for 2012. Just like you stick with A on Euro Canada, trust me on this one. Oh, it's Euro Aussie. Look at this Euro Aussie, by the way. It looks like it wants to crack, but you know what? I don't know. Third base. Looks very interesting to me. Oh, very nice, Cordell. I'm happy for you. Whatever. So, what do we got? Obviously, we know retail sales came out terrible in the U.S. Only a 0.2 on headline. We know German Zoo was good, and now tomorrow. Tonight, we got almost nothing. Leading index out of China. Consumer sentiment out of Australia. Revised industrial production out of Japan. Non-farm payroll numbers out of London. Oh, I should have held that cable. I knew it. Look at cable going. It's going to be a nice selling strength tonight. Absolutely. Eurozone industrial production from last month's negative 1.9%. They're looking for an increase of 0.1 only. Falling off a cliff. Canadian manufacturing sales coming out. U.S. import prices, but that's pretty much it. Crude inventories, very light on the U.S. side. And then remember, after tomorrow, we got Big Wednesday. Big Wednesday. Big. How do you spell it? B-I-G. Big Wednesday. Thursday. After tomorrow. SNB. All the numbers coming out. U.S. Eurozone. China flash HSBC manufacturing PMI. Big. So we'll see. But this Euro Aussie, I don't know. Big support here. I'm just scared to be long anything Euro. Anything Euro. Again, with my bearishness on Euro Sterling, I'd rather be long Pound Canada. Look at this one. Bottomed out. Looks like it might want to rip. But I just think commodity currencies with the stock market falling is the place to be short. And that's it, people. All right, team, I'll see you back at 5 o'clock. Actually a little earlier. Half an hour. 4:50. I know Ron's very happy about that. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. info@globalfxllc.com. globalfxllc.com. And again, remember, I have a premium junior service I am starting up in January 1st. $50 a month gets you my premium twits, GFX premium, daily emails, some of which cost a lot of money. And you're getting it for $50 a month. And my emails of my trade recommendations. So, and the ability to email me back and forth. You just don't get access to my chat room. For $500 for the year or $50 a month. That's $100 savings if you book it. And those of you that have been members of my service, you know what research I'm talking about. Just can't say it. Hello. So, it should be a very interesting, sorry about that. That was pretty gross. But should be another interesting day. S&Ps came back a little bit. Closed off their lows, 7 handles, but still. This is a closing low. We should come in nicely. And again, my target is at 1185 area. This low here. That was the way, I remember that day. This was the intervention by Bern Uraski. The coordination. Fill in the gap, baby. 1190. All right, so again, remember, you can always try my service for 1 week, people, for free. Andrew Spanton, info@globalfxllc.com, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money. Have a good night.